Are you looking for a magnetic eyelash system that you don't have to apply magnetic solution to? Are you looking for a natural eyelash that appears natural and you don't even hardly feel them on your eyelash line? If that is you, then you definitely want to keep watching. Hey babes, welcome to JazzyJennsHighway. I want to do a huge shout out to BelleChloe for sending me these magnetic eyelashes for me to give my honest review, and that's exactly what we're about to do. And if you like these lashes and you'd like to give them a try, the website to purchase these lashes, if you like, would be in the description box along with a 10% discount code. Okay, the kit came with plenty of instructions. Isn't that pretty? This is how it comes. It sticks to that, so you can take care of those. And this one has bottom, middle, bottom right, bottom left, middle, and bottom. The instruction says to lay the top lash right across your lash line without no solution, of course, and then just take those smaller pieces and align them on that applicator one by one, which they're like 4 pieces per eyelash. This applicator is also magnetic. The goal was to place those small pieces on that magnetic applicator and just place them on your lash line where your other eyelash was, and close that applicator together, and they should magnetically click together, both pieces. But I did not like that method. I found it kind of difficult to apply them that way, so I came up with another method that I found much more easier. Okay. I cannot get it with this magnet right here. So what I want to do is I'm going to lay this on here, and I'm going to take each piece that it comes with because it's very small, and I'm going to use my little eyelash applicator and do it one by one. This is only 4 pieces, so I figure I should be able to do that. So I'm going to take this one little bitty baby piece, and I'm going to hold it down right here on the end. Okay, it's stuck. Make sure it's curved the right way. Okay, I hope that you saw the other side, but if you didn't, so basically what I did was I grabbed this right here, placed it on the top of my lash line. I just like to start on the end first. I pushed it all the way down. Okay, I heard the click. Once you hear that click, baby, you in it. I'm just gonna finish the rest. Hold it down the middle. You felt that? So that's all that click there. I'm trying to put it around this way. And there you have it. I want a little bit of pizzazz, put a little bit mascara on this. So there you have it. These lashes are all done. My takeaway would be, I don't like this. It's not very user friendly, because when you stick it on here, it immediately wants to stick when you lay it on there, and things are not laid out right, and because of the pieces are so small on the bottom part, it's kind of hard and you can't see. And it was just much easier for me to use my little eyelash applicator for regular eyelashes when you're applying for the glue type. Just use this, hold it down, push it, and it was a whole lot much easier. I don't really feel a thing. I really like how it feels on my eyelashes, to be honest. I like it better than the ones where I have to apply the product, because I really don't like anything on my eyes, because I have sensitive eyes, especially on this left eye. It's always so leaky, and I'm getting medication to this eye right now as well, so it looks so natural. Like BelleChloe, I like this. I really like this. My honest review, I love it. I like the idea that I don't feel them on my eyes. I literally don't even feel them on my eyes. You know how with some lashes they feel a little funny on the ends? I don't feel that. I don't feel anything. I feel like they're my natural eyelashes. What's so crazy is that I have a wake up and makeup jar where I put my eyelash brushes. So this is so cute. It goes with my makeup decor. If you like this content, I would love it if you subscribe, like, comment, share this. It helps this channel to grow, and I can review and show others honest reviews. So thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you guys have a blessed day. Bye, babes.